He jumped.
As well? Alright, let's reapproach. It's even better for us.
Warp drive active.
Jumping through.
Boosting the Vindy off.
Yeah, if you can, that would be perfect. He has your warp scrambled though. Alright, let's go. Vindy's aggressed, right?
Vindy's aggressed.
Alright, let's go, boys. We're gonna kill the Vindy first.
Jumping the nightmare.
Yes, perfect.
Which gate?
The 16-8 gate. I've got point on the Vindy. He is blaster fit as expected. I do have a heated point in him, so you can.
I walked to the gate at 30.
It's fine. Dutaki, if you can point the Vindy.
It's pointed.
Nice. Fuck, I'm webbed. By the Typhoon, but it's a grapple, so it's fine.
Warp drive active.
I'm out of the grapple. I've lost point on the Vindy for a sec.
I got it pointed.
No, but you need to point the Typhoon. If you can, at least.
Yeah.
Nice.
Typhoon's pointed.
A module
Vindy
has
looks
run
like he's
out of
de-aggressing. We're
charges.
approaching gate.
Can you get a boost? Oh, you already died, right?
Yep.
I can try.
The Typhoon is aggressed, at least.
I'm gonna go for a boosh.
Nice. You missed.
A little too soon. Yep.
Warp drive
Vindicate's
active.
almost dead, he's in hull.
I'm on reload.
I'm heating.
Yeah. He's probably gonna jump.
A module
He
has
isn't,
run
he's
out
gonna
of
die.
charges.
Nice.
He's dead.
Switch to the phone. The phone is still aggressed. Can someone link the kill for the Vindy?
Yep. It's not blink.
Too bad. And now for the over-escalation. Alright, good job.